Welcome back to this week's changelog. We have 10 updates that went out, and we're going to cover 3 of them. Let's jump into it. All 3 releases that I'm about to cover are on our CRM, and we're going to start off with custom branding for embedded forms, which basically means that forms now can be set to different colors and font types to better fit in with your website. Let's take a quick look at how it works. So in Playground, under the CRM, I go to the Forms page, and if I navigate to one of my forms, hit the 3 dots and click on Embed Form, there's now a custom theme toggle that pops up. And when toggled on, I can customize what my theme looks like, including the accent color. So this is the color of the buttons and any additional clickable items on the screen. And then I can also choose to change the font to something more classic, more rounded, or the classic Playground font. And finally, the theme itself will either be the professional Playground theme that you know and love, or a much more minimal stripped back version of this. Of course, you can always click View Preview to see what this looks like. Here is this version in green. And you're able to simply copy this code and replace it on your website where it exists today. This new update should hopefully help your website continue to look amazing while capturing more leads than ever. The next 2 features are both improvements for texting on the CRM. The first is you now have the ability to bulk text message a group of leads. Let's take a quick look at how it works. In my CRM, I can navigate to SMS under the Marketing tab, click on the text I want to send, hit the Send SMS button, and then select the list of leads that I want to send this message to. I'm going to send this right now to the pipeline view, which has about 334 leads in it. And if I click SMS, and if I click Send, all of the opted-in folks will get this message. This should significantly improve the channels by which you can reach your leads and improve the number of responses and tours that you get as a result. The last release of the week is better personalization for text messages on the CRM. So just like on emails, where you can pull in specific properties from the lead, school, or child, you can now do the same thing on text messages, so the messages that families receive are more personalized than ever. Let's take a quick look at how it works. In Playground, under my SMS list under Marketing, I can edit this template, and you'll see now there's a personalized button in the bottom right corner that you can look up and find any property for a lead, family, or the school itself and pull it in here. The result is each of these items in a different color will personalize this message to make sure that it is specific and tailored to that specific guardian. This should result in significantly higher open and reply rates because of how personalized you're able to make these messages at scale. That's it for this week's update. We'll see you next time.